Hello and welcome again. This is Abdul with my third video tutorial on this course, Model Site for Managers, MS4M. In this video tutorial, I'm going to take you through the features we come across under Site Administration menu. So I have already logged in as a manager, and being a manager, I have all these privileges. Let me go to the Site Administration head. This is the head. I clicked it, and now we see lots of menu heads, other titles, mean links that we can make use of. So site administration, we have analytics, competencies, badges, H5P, language, appearance, front page. Let's begin with the analytics. When you click the analytics link, okay, we have analytic models. Okay, let's see what does it mean. It looks like, yeah, so we have lots of analysis here. The courses at the risk of not starting, students at the risk of dropping out, students who have not accessed the course, students who have not accessed the course yet, upcoming activities. So all these model names, these are the analytic, these are the specific titles, headings, and let's see whether they are enabled. So yeah, student courses at the risk of not starting has been enabled. We can edit it. We can, by clicking the pen icon here, we can edit it. Let's see what happens when you click it. We can edit it, and maybe we can find other model names. So thinking of, when I'm not going to edit it, enabled. So the indicators, we have whatever analysis we are doing, we need some indicators, the number of indicators. Okay, you can check it. Analysis level from start to end, insights, actions. So actions to here, we have options here. Let's see what are the options. We can edit, disable, insights, report, clear, predictions, delete. So all these things are possible for managers. So all these things, if you click the help with the courses risk of not starting, okay, if you click the help link, we might get some more insights into this particular model name. Okay, so let us go back. We can look at the other items. Let me go back. Okay, let me go back to competencies. So analytics model, I think course managers, course administrators can have different techniques to measure how the course is being taken by the course participants. And in order to do that, they come out with certain points. That is what is being discussed in analytics. Competencies, okay, we have several headings under competencies. Competencies, migrate frameworks, import framework, export framework, completely competency frameworks, learning plan templates. Okay, let's look at competency framework. Competency frameworks are kind of competency skills, that how to measure the techniques to measure how the participants attain certain skills. So we need to outline a list of competencies, and with these competencies we can identify, we can scale the progress taken by the course participants. So we can think about drafting a long list of framework, long list of competencies, and we can call it a framework. So instead of sticking on to one competency, we can bring in several competencies, and it can be taken as a competency framework. And learning plan is another thing that we can find under competencies. Learning plan, I think, is the way how we make use of different competencies into one framework. Maybe we can take several individual competency standards levels from other items, other sections, and according to this we can design the learning plan. Sometimes when we use multiple competency frameworks, we may have to select one or two competencies from different frameworks, and these competencies can be organized into a learning plan, and we can assign these competencies to a group of students, to a group of participants, like that. So we can check this competency framework, and when you click it, let's see what framework they have listed here. English FCE 2020 FE is the framework. I think add a new competency. We can add new competency framework. Competency framework repository is also shown here. Let's see what this competency framework refer to. Okay, so we don't have. Okay, so we need to identify the outcomes. So as I told you just now, competency framework are actually outcome based. Now we have to foresee the outcome we are going to obtain by following this particular kind of course design, course activities, like that. Okay, let's go back. Site administration. We can go back to site administration. So we have discussed competencies. So we can even migrate framework. We can bring in other import competency framework, export competency framework. All these activities can be manipulated. Badges. We have badges setting, manage badges, add a new badge, backpack settings, all these things. So we have seen how these things work. Managers can do all these things. H5P is an interesting interactive activity platform that we can make use of, and we can also bring in these activities here. Language customization is another item that we can find under site administration. I think language customization can be done from the header itself. We have a link here, so we can do it from here. Okay, when you click it, maybe they might ask you for give you a list of possible languages we can opt for. Appearance. This is the appearance link. We can change the appearance, default dashboard appearance, or this manage tags, user tools. These are things that we can play with. We can try along with on this Moodle for Moodle site as managers. Front page settings also given here. So on the right side block, we have another list of administration, site administration, users, courses, grades. All these things are also shown here too. Here we have a link on a chatting link, so with which we can chat with. Okay, we can share our thoughts with our course participants. The last icon we find is the navigation bar color apply. We can change the color. Maybe now the navigation bar is a bit dark, light. Okay, this is the navigation bar, and we can change it to dark. So it's gone dark, and let me come back. I'm not going to change it. Site color is also, we can change it. We can change it to green. This is the site color. Again, I'm not going to change it. Okay, I'm not going to change it. Okay, so these are the things that we come across here on Moodle site as managers. Okay, now let me go back. So this change would not take place because I'm not clicking the apply site-wide change. Okay, it's not, I'm not doing it. Okay, let me go back. Site administration. Okay, so the change did not take place. So in order to bring in any change, we need to apply it. Okay, so these are the things that we come across on Moodle site for managers as managers under the title, under the head site administration. Thank you for watching. Try all these things on your own and come explore more features and come out with your beautiful video tutorials. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.